This is the Atlas 3-rail O-scale Amtrak P42 Genesis diesel locomotive, offered by Atlas in their winter 2022 catalog with a retail price of $620. This model is 17 inches long, weighs 4 pounds 14 ounces, features all ABS plastic sheet and die-cast metal construction, and has a minimum curve requirement of 0.31. This is a gorgeous engine that looks even better pulling the Atlas Amfleet cars behind it. If you want to see that, check out the full review on this channel.
Now departing on track 2, train number 42, the Pennsylvania.